Alright, so for 5 and 6, it's a little bit more involved. So we actually have to, oh, can you turn that up? Can you give me a second while I finish doing that? Something looks wrong with yours, but I won't be able to check until so here's what we have to do. So, Mahungle, can you just pay attention? You're not gonna do anything just yet. Just pay attention, please. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna manipulate it. Okay? So I'm gonna go just give me a second, I'll show you just look for now. So you're gonna go to settings. Okay? Is it not frozen? Okay. You're gonna go to settings and we're gonna show the grid. Alright? So you need major, and you could just go with major grid lines. You need a grid. Go to GeoGebra. Okay? Can you do that real quick? What? To show the grid? Oh, you want to see it first? Okay. So then you're going to go to settings, and we need to show the axes. But you're going to have to sign in so you can save it. But hold on. You're going to have to show the axes. Okay, with the axis, click on this so you can be able to move it. For 5 and 6, for 6, for number 6, yours has to be congruent, bisect, and perpendicular. So we're manipulating this, and what I mean by this, we're using what we have to create them. Okay? Yours are perpendicular. You have all of them. So here's what we do to manipulate it for number 6. We are going to use the axes. So that means this already, the x and y axis, because they're already perpendicular. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to create the diagonal on the axis. Okay? Because they're already perpendicular. So they have to be congruent, so you're going to make them the same size. So for example, if you want them to be both 10, then 10 divided by 2 would be 5. So 5 here and 5 here. So do not, if you make the same one that I have, I'm not going to give you the grade for it. So this is 10, because 5 plus 5 is 10. So I made it on the axis. Okay? And then this one has to be the same length, from 5 to 5. Okay? And then for number 6, that's all you pretty much have to do to create it. Why? Because I made them on the axis so that I know that from here to here it's 5. So that makes this the midpoint of both of them. So I'm manipulating it so that I can do it without it. Okay? That's for number 6. Alright. You can go ahead and get started, but you have to still prove it. Do not make it exactly like mine. Now, for yours, it's a little bit different. Because they have to bisect each other and they have to be congruent. So it's a little bit different.